I'll share with you my latest yarn purchase and discuss with you what I'm going to need with it, because I'm planning to do step-by-step tutorials with all of this. I thought that it might be useful to share colors, because personally I struggle to choose color online, and for some reason most of the yarn retails don't sell drops yarn in the stores, so I am only ordering online, and I always searching for the color because it's a little bit difficult to choose by the picture. And now I'm just still probably not showing you exact color. It's a little bit lighter on the picture right now than it is in reality. In reality it's a little bit more pinkish. The color of this drops air is number 33. I think it's one of the latest edition. Not even color, it's a little bit remind me some sort of seashell. That would be a beanie. This one I also a little bit surprised with. I saw it on the picture, it looked much lighter. Color number 29 for the reference. It is a little bit darker in the reality than on the picture. It would be another beanie. Here I have the color number 22. I'm a little bit uncertain what to do with it, because I ordered this 4 pieces for my son sweater, but I have this yarn from different dye load, so you see, and it's actually quite different. You can even see it on video. This one has a little bit like peachy undertone, and this one doesn't. It is more like a grayish, and the rest, they're also, like you see, lightly pinkish peachy undertone, and this one is not. The color looks a little bit brighter on the video right now than it actually is, but on the other, like these two, they looks very similar to reality right now. So I'm not sure what to do. When I was purchasing this yarn, the supplier was saying that it's darker in reality than on picture. Yes, it is, but I'm a little bit surprised with this like difference of the different dye loads. I mean, I knew that it might be different, but clearly I can see difference with a naked eye. And also I didn't want any pinkish undertone for my son sweater, so I'll show him the color and he'll decide if I should return it or if I should knit with it. That's a big surprise for me. Next projects. You see, I'm in a brush alpaca mode. This gorgeous, some sort of lilac color of drops brush alpaca silk. I was actually lasting over this one for a few years, but for some reason when I was ordering my yarn, it was always unavailable. So I finally got it and I love it. I'm planning to knit oversized v-neck with this. I actually was thinking to knit this v-neck for quite a long time, so looking forward to it. This gorgeous color, such a beauty. It is one of the newest colors from drops. It's called, I believe, marzipan, color number 24. It looks a little bit lighter right now than it actually is. Well, if you look on this side, it's more accurate. So it is like beigey, gray, very complicated color. But if you look on this side, it is very close to reality. So yeah, something like this. Love it, love it, love it. And of course, this Drops Melody just stole my heart. It's not the first project I'm going to need with this. I absolutely love this fluffy yarn. And I'm planning to knit the cardigan together. What do you think about that? And for the last but not least, this Drops Melody in the color number 6, one of the oldest color from Drops Melody, but I never purchased it. It's slightly darker than it is on camera right now, maybe closer to this side. This is also going to be another V-neck, I think. I hope that at least that was my plan. And we're knitting it together as well. This is for my son sweater. I have a red color in this big merino. I bought it for another project, but it never came through. So my son, he loves red and blue colors. I decided to make a sweater for him, like some sort of color block. Main body would be red and sleeves blue, and also I'm planning to try something I never did before, to also incorporate the letter from his name, will be R, on the sweater as well, knitted in the same color. So let me know which project you'll be looking forward to most. Maybe I can prioritize. I think right now, actually, the colors reflecting somewhat accurate, especially for this melody in the color marzipan is very similar to the reality. Also, I bought some markers from Knit Pro. This is the second time I'm buying these markers. I bought one from Amazon, but it was a little bit like chipped off on the main marker, and hope it's in one piece. I unpacked these markers, and I have a similar issue with another one as well. Here is this dot, some sort of it's like something chipped off from this marker, like the main marker. The rest of them seems to be just fine, so I'm not sure if it's a part of the design, but this is like the first one I ordered. I haven't returned them yet. This one I ordered from Amazon, and it also has this, you see, but this one is much bigger, and it looks like it's some sort of chipped off. What do you think? I'm just wondering, like, if you have these markers, do you also have the same thing? But it's a little bit weird, but this one is huge. This, like this, the difference, I don't know what to do with them. I like these markers a lot. I think they're just perfect to knit with a chunky yarn. Will fit my big thicker needles, but I'm not sure. I don't want to keep broken items in my home. Weird, right? If it's a part of design, then why are they so different? I'm confused. Should I keep the markers or should I just find something else? Please let me know. Also, I bought additional cable to my interchangeable needles because I feel like this number 40 is always in use. And also, if you have the same markers, do you also have this problem or yours perfect. I bought this to show you guys tutorials. So that's limited edition, this dark purple color from the Cubics J'adore. I absolutely love my Cubics, so when I've seen them doing it in Cubics, I had to buy it. They only had 2 sizes left, 3.5 and 4 by this point. I just decided to get number 4, but I was initially thinking about number 5. So I bought this from Lantern Moon. I have to admit I never tried this brand. I've heard of good things, but I also heard that because it's like a black one, it's sometimes when you knit with a darker yarn, it's can become uncomfortable. Anyway, I decided to give it a try, but to be honest, my heart is completely stolen by my Cubics. So if they would be available in number 5, I would just go for them. It's interesting to experiment, and I'm sure this brand is nice, but I'm a huge fan of Knit Pro Cubic. They are so comfortable. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, so I decided to give it a try. Leave your comments below, and we might also prioritize something based on your opinion, because always, like, when I receive so much yarn, I just don't know where to start.